Meaning of earbud.
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 Earbud. An earbud is a type of headphone that is designed to be small and fit directly into the listener's ear canal. They are typically used for listening to audio on portable devices such as smartphones, tablets, or MP3 players. Earbuds are popular due to their small size and portability, making them easy to carry around and use while on the go. They also provide a level of noise isolation, which can enhance the listening experience in noisy environments. However, prolonged use at high volumes may result in hearing damage.